Hello and welcome to a new Python coding challenge. Today's challenge was suggested by Tsado Ahmed 4660, who asks for a baseball-inspired challenge. First of all, let me say thank you to Ahmed for the suggestion, and if anyone else also has a suggestion or further questions, then please make sure to write them out in the comment section below. Now then, on with the challenge. This is based on a popular baseball challenge you can find online. However, in this case we have some extra rules to make things more interesting. We start with a random string of integers, letters and symbols. Then we have to determine the final score of the game by creating a new list according to these rules. If you get an integer in the first list, you copy it exactly into the second. If you get a character D in the first list, you have to double the last digit. The character C means you have to cancel the last score. And finally, the plus symbol means you have to add a new value equal to the sum of the previous two. So, just to make things clear, let's use this example. In this case, we can take the first digit and copy it to our new list. Then we do the same with the second digit. Now we double the last value according to the letter D. Then, since there is a plus sign, we create a new value equal to the sum of the previous two. In this case, we have 2 plus 6 equals 8. Finally, we can cancel the last digit according to the character C. The final score of our baseball game will therefore be the sum of the new list. Hence, in this case, we get 2 plus 6 equals 8. Now, here's the twist. What if you get a plus sign and don't have two values to add together, or a C or D character and the list is empty? Well, of course, the code will have to carry on as if nothing has happened. It's up to you to figure out how to accomplish this, but if you need a hint, you might want to check out the video I've linked for you above. Your task today is to find the result for this list. Best of luck to all of you in completing the challenge, and see you next week for the solution. Also, don't forget to keep showing your support by liking the videos, leaving comments below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you to everyone for watching today's video, and until next time, happy coding!